If your business or nonprofit is not able to work anywhere, anytime, on any device, then your organization is working at a competitive disadvantage. Learn how to transform your business or nonprofit by embracing the modern workplace. Learn how to implement a robust collaboration system that works for your internal team and your external partners. Learn how to effectively communicate with everyone in your business. Learn how to securely put all the solutions in place without sacrificing security. If you're ready to embrace the modern workplace, then you're ready for My365. By leveraging Microsoft's SharePoint, Teams, Power Apps, and Endpoint Manager, My365 brings together a complete cloud solution. My365 provides collaboration, communication, automation, and security in one simple, fast, and scalable solution. So, if you're ready to embrace the modern workplace, contact the team at IT Pros Management for more information. And remember, with IT Pros Management, you can relax. IT is covered.